Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own server in MidJourney. So first, we need to go to Discord. While in Discord, we need to go to the MidJourney channel. It's over here. So, by default, MidJourney offers you these servers, these public rooms, where you can create your pictures. But it is a shared server, and anyone can see your creations. Besides, on the shared server, pictures of other users clutter and create a mess, making it harder to find our own images. So in order to solve this problem, we're going to create our own server. To create a server, we have to follow two steps. For the first step, we go to this plus sign, add a server. So we click on it. Here we choose create my own. Then we choose for me and my friends. Here you can type any name you want. I'm just going to type my server. And we click on create. And there we go. Now we have our own server. For the second part, we need to connect this server to MidJourney. So we go back to MidJourney now. And on the right side, you can see this panel. If you don't see it, then you need to click on this icon that says Hide Member List. You click on it, then you go to MidJourney Bot. When you open it, you can see this button over here. It says Add to Server. You click on it, and then you need to select a server. We select the server that we have just created. And then we click on Continue. Here we don't need to change anything, we just click on Authorize. I'm human. Alright, now it's ready. We head back to our server, and now you can see that here you can input your prompt. Okay, now let's test it and see how it works. I'm going to the message section, and here I'm going to type imagine. Here in the prompt section, you can type anything you want. I'm going to type a car from the future. Let's see how it looks. Alright, the images are ready and they look great. And as you can see, it's only us here and no one else can see our creations. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more exciting AI related content. See you, bye.